In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to group components together and then take our 3-room unit and turn it into a wing and then a U-shaped building. So, first I'm going to select everything that I have, and I'm going to go to Edit and Make Group. Next, I'm going to go to the top view, and I'm going to use the Control Move to move a copy of that. Oops. And make sure that it touches completely. I don't want there to be any space. Use my pan tool to move over. Control Move again. Select, Control Move. Again, bring it back so that it completely touches. So it looks to me like it's just a little bit of space here. I'm going to move this over. If you're in doubt, zoom in as close as you can and make sure that there's no space. And you can see here that there is a little space. So I'm going to move this over. Make sure that there isn't any left. This one, move it over. Now, again, Control Move. And one more time, and over. Zoom in. Now this time I haven't moved quite far enough, so I need to move it over a little bit. Theoretically, you should just be able to start to move it and type in 25 feet because your room is 25 feet square. Alright, so we have 5 units. I'm going to select all of them by holding the Shift key down as I click on them. And I'm going to Control Move. Sorry about that. Keep releasing my button too soon. Now there are 5 rooms, so I want to go 125 feet. So now I have one wing in which all of the columns are facing forward. Going back to my top view, I want to make a second wing. So I'm going to select them all, Control Move. I'm just going to move it over here for the time being. I do need to turn this around so that it will be facing the other wing. So I will choose my Rotate tool, click somewhere about in the middle, click Release my mouse, move my mouse over, click out in the gray space, begin to turn, and type in 180, enter. Now my units are facing each other. I need to make a third unit because this is going to be a U-shaped building. So Control Move, another copy over here. Now this one only needs to turn 90 degrees. So use my Rotate tool, click in the middle, click out into space, begin to turn, type 90, enter. Now it's a matter of lining these up. So I'm going to select the first group of 10 rooms and zoom in so that I can see what I'm doing. Move them. And I want to line up these corners so that they're touching. So again, I'm going to zoom in really, really as close as I can get and move so that the corners are just touching but not overlapping. And I'll do that with the other wing as well. Use the arrow tool, select this wing, pan my space a little bit, zoom in, use the move tool. I like to grab it right in the corner. That gives me a little bit more precision when I'm trying to line these things up. Okay, so now I have a U-shaped building with 3 wings to it. That concludes this part of the demonstration.